Good morning! I am Teacher Jel, your TLE teacher for today. Welcome to Housekeeping 10. Are you ready for our lesson for today? But before that, before we proceed to our next lesson, let's have a short recap about our last topic that we discussed yesterday. What is our last topic that we discussed last meeting? Okay, very good. Table appointments are the materials used in setting individual covers on a table. It can be formal or informal, which depends on the type of occasions. This includes linens, dinnerware, flatware, hollowware, beverageware, and centerpiece. Before we proceed to our next topic, I have here a short activity identifying the given picture below. First, is it a bird of paradise, a pyramid, or a candle? Okay, the answer is a pyramid napkin fold. Another one. Is it a fan, a candle, or a rose? Okay, the answer is rose napkin fold. Read the question carefully and choose the correct answer. It is usually used in fine dining restaurants and hotels for table decorations to look more elegant and classy. Centerpiece, table napkin, or table setup. Number 2. What is the preferred shape for the table napkin? Square, triangle, or heart? Okay, square is the preferred shape for the table napkin or the rectangle. Next, number 3. What is the standard size used in table napkin? 20 inches by 20 inches, 24 inches by 24 inches, or 14 inches by 14 inches? Okay, the answer is 20 inches by 20 inches is the standard size for table napkin. Now, let's proceed to our new topic. The lesson for today is 5 basic table napkin folding. Under Learning Outcome 2, Set Up Table. Objective. First, identify the basic table napkin. Second, appreciate the value of table napkin in table manner. And third, demonstrate basic napkin folding. What is napkin folding? Napkin folding is done with a table napkin. It is usually used in fine dining restaurants and hotels for table decorations to look more elegant and classy. The manner by which the napkin is folded contributes to the beauty of the table. Napkin at a formal meal should match the color of the tablecloth, generally ivory or white. The preferred shape for the folded napkin is the rectangle, but the square is also used. For refreshment size, we have 14 inches by 14 inches. For standard size, we have 20 inches by 20 inches. For dinner size, we have 24 inches by 24 inches. So now, let's proceed to actual demonstrations on the 5 commonly used table napkin folding. The following are some of the 5 commonly used table napkin design with its step-by-step procedures. First, we have pyramid napkin fold. Fold the napkin in half diagonally to form a triangle. Place the folded edge at the top. Fold down the right point to the bottom point. Fold down the left point to the bottom point. And fold the napkin in half by bringing the bottom point under the top point. To make it stand, leave the napkin at the center of the bottom edge so it rests on the two side edges. Second, Bird of Paradise napkin fold. Fold the napkin in quarters. Place it so that the free corners are at the bottom. Then fold in half diagonally to form a triangle with the free corners on top. Hold your fingers on the top corner as you fold first side, then the left side to the corner. Fold the lower points under the napkin. And fold the triangle in half by bringing the left side under the right side. The center fold will open slightly. And lay the napkin down so the corner points are on top. Holding the broad end of the napkin with one hand, pull up the four corner points to form petals. Third, candle napkin fold. Fold the napkin in half diagonally to form a triangle. Place the napkin so the fold is along the bottom edge. Fold up the bottom edge about 1 1/2 inches. Turn the napkin over and roll it up fairly and tightly. And stand the candle off and tuck the corner into the cup to hold the rolled shape in place. If you like, fold down layer at the tip of the candle to resemble a flickering flame. Fourth is standing fan napkin fold. Fold the napkin in half to make a rectangle. Fold the napkin into 1-inch accordion pleats . Leaving the last 4 inches unfolded. Fold in half with the pleats on the outside. And fold up the bottom left corner and tuck it into the pleats. Then stand the napkin up so pleats form fan. Then stand the napkin up so the pleats form fan. And last, we have rose napkin fold. Lay the napkin face down in front of you. Fold the two right corners of the napkin in so that tips rest at the center. Fold the remaining two corners of the napkin in so the tips meet the last two in the center. Once again, begin folding the outer corners in so they meet at the center. Once all the tips are folded, you are left with a square about 1/4 the size of the unfolded napkin. Flip it over. Fold the corners in so they meet in the center and then place something sturdy in the center or hold it with your fingers. While maintaining downward pressure in the center of the napkin, reach underneath each corner and pull out the flaps to create petals. If you like, you can reach underneath the center of each side and pull out the second set of petals to fancy it up some more. Place something in the center and you're done. Have a rosy meal! Okay class, we are done on actual demonstration on the 5 commonly used table napkin folding. Now, it's your turn to apply the steps and procedure on the 5 commonly used table napkin folding. For Activity 2, Application, demonstrate the 5 commonly used table napkin folding. And your performance will be rated from the given rubrics. Generalization, the 5 commonly used table napkin are the following: pyramid, bird of paradise, candle, standing fan, and rose napkin. The preferred shape for napkin folding is rectangle. And we have 3 common sizes of table napkin used in any occasions: refreshment, standard, and dinner. Table napkin adds color, design, and it makes the table design aesthetically pleasing and appealing to the eyes. It is also important not just to add color, but to also highlight generalized the theme of the event. For example, if it is a flower theme event, the table napkin fold is most likely to look like a little something like a flower. Okay, now let's proceed to evaluation. Read the question carefully and choose the correct answer. Number 1. It is usually used in fine dining restaurants and hotels for table decorations to look more elegant and classy. Centerpiece, table napkin, or table setup? Okay, table napkin is usually used in fine dining restaurants and hotels. Number 2. What is the preferred shape for the table napkin? Square, triangle, or heart? Okay, square is the preferred shape for the table napkin or the rectangle. Next, number 3. What is the standard size used in table napkin? 20 inches by 20 inches, 24 inches by 24 inches, or 14 inches by 14 inches? Okay, the answer is 20 inches by 20 inches is the standard size for table napkin. For number 4, identify the given picture below. A bird of paradise, pyramid, or a candle? Okay, the answer is pyramid napkin fold. And last, number 5. A fan, a candle, or a rose? A rose. Okay, a rose napkin fold. So who got perfect score? No more questions for our lesson for today. Did you learn something for our lesson for today? If you watch and listen for our lesson for today, of course you learned something, a great lesson for today. That's the end of our lesson. See you tomorrow! For more videos and lessons, don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching.